Hi friends, you are watching Design with Nikki. Today I'll show you how to make Santa Claus and other Christmas ornaments. If you like my channel, please share and subscribe. Thank you. For material, we need air dry clay, glue, colors, brushes, knife, and most important, wooden pointed stick. Roll the clay to the middle from both sides. Mark the end of the coat and beginning of leg. Make dents on both sides to create shoes. Glue both sides together. Put strips of clay to create the coat. Roll clay to make hands. Stick the hands on the shoulders. Put some clay and glue on the top. Roll some clay and create the coat collar. Etch the coat ends and collar to make impression of fur. Time to create coat sleeve ends on the hand. Time to create the mittens. Now the body is done and time to make the head and face. After the eye sockets are done, create the nose. Pull the nose up to give proper shape. Time to create the mouth. And define the lips. Time to make the eyes now. Define the eyes properly. Roll some clay to make the beard. Define the beard. Create mustache with a small piece of rolled clay. Flatten some clay to make Santa's cap. Create a cone shape to make the cap. Add finishing touches to the head. Add some glue and attach the head to the body. Flatten some clay to make Santa's sack that carries gifts. Fold and collect outer edges together to create the sack. Time to color Santa and finish it up. Roll a clay into this shape to make a baby. Create a wedge and press it down for making legs. Cut and spread in the middle to create each leg. Cut the top end off. Mark in the middle to define coat. Put the head and hands. Add buttons and cap. Color and finish it up. Draw a reindeer on a paper plate and cut it out. Put some glue on it. Sprinkle glitters on the glue. Thank you friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment.